क्लब गॅस्पर डायसान तिसरो टेनिस टुर्नामेंट आयोजीत केला। हो टुर्नामेंट 26 जानेर तो 4 फेब्रुवार मजगती जावपाचो आसा। हो टुर्नामेंट वार्षिक राज्य पावंड्यार जाता। आडेक्स गोवा खातीर मिरामारच्यान गौतम शिरोडकर।
Club Gaspar is one of the premier organizations organizing this tournament for the last 3 years. This is the third edition of this tournament, which will be held at the club from the 26th of January till the 4th of February.
This year so far, we have the entries are still open. We have divided this tournament basically into 2 categories: veterans and the regular tournament. In veterans, we have done 3 categories: 90 plus, 110 plus. So what happens is the addition of 2 doubles players we can combine and have this tournament. So something which is very novel, and Arjun Gadre came up with this idea. It's a very novel idea which we are going to do it this year. So far, as on today evening, the veterans entries get over, and for regular tournament it's 24. And cumulatively we have received 85 entries so far. And we hopefully by the end of the last year will be able to cross the barrier which you have said last year is 126. So we'll hopefully cross that barrier, and it will be even a better tournament this year. So the tournament will be held from 26th, as I said, till 28th. 28th will be the veterans finals, and then 28th till 4th will be the regular tournament for the regular activities. So timing will be from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning, followed by 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the evening.
I don't think the credit is due at all, because everybody on my left is a fantastic group of people to work with, and they really are very, very passionate about trying to make sure that the Gasparias Open becomes a successful, popular and a regular feature in Goa and actually on the tennis calendar of India.